Hello, you're watching another dollhouse television set made by Tiny Trains. Now this is indeed a small dollhouse scale television set. Put a ruler up here, not very big. And one feature of this television set is that it works with a remote control. And the sound is transmitted through a nearby FM radio. We can use the remote control to change to the next program.
Who can turn the world on with her smile? Who can take...
We have already seen icy pavements in July. Here's adventure. Here's romance. Here's O. Henry's famous Robin Hood of the Old West, a Cisco Kid.
You can also control it with push buttons that are on the top of the set as well. Let's skip to the next program.
Fiery horse with the speed of light, a cloud of dust, and a hearty Hi-Yo Silver, the Lone Ranger.
Traveling near or far, don't hassle with a plane or car. Amtrak has a better way. See the country. Up in the sky, look! It's a bird! It's a plane! It's Superman!
Well, that's that television set. If you'd like one, contact us at our website, www.tiny-trains.net. Thank you very much.